In fact, Northeast is one region which saw huge spike in the number of cases, positive cases, ever since the interstate movement started and during Unlock 1. So what we are hearing from different state governments in the Northeast is that they would be basically talking to the Prime Minister about more central schemes in terms of generating more employments within the region. Remember, lakhs of people have already returned back. Also, if you look at the cases which are coming up, the Northeast doesn't want that there should be any sort of community transmission. Already in Guwahati, there have been a lot of cases of people getting affected who have no travel history, and that's exactly why from today onwards, Assam government is starting community testing of about 50,000 people. In fact, ramping up testing is a major issue for the region. Assam has ramped up over 2 lakh tests. Other states are catching up, but smaller states like Sikkim, like Meghalaya, they need more equipment. So that's one issue on the card, as well as there are issues like capping of movement from outside the state once these migrants return back. After that, all the northeastern state would like that that air service and the trains should be opened up in a capped manner, and they don't want too many people from outside to reach in, because what Northeast is trying to avoid is that, given the fact that the health infrastructure in the region is not at par with the rest of the country, so they don't want community transmission. So that's one key region, and that's exactly why there are a lot of restrictions still imposed in Northeast. Remember, Mizoram has reversed back to almost total lockdown. So in that way, a kind of a partial lockdown is something that all the states in the Northeast also support, but they want more schemes to open up the economy, because they are dependent otherwise on central funds. There's no big industry in the region. So that's one key issue which is there for the people in terms of how they balance the loss to economy as well as the threat to
Yes.
public health. That's something that the chief ministers in Northeast are trying to come up with, and they would discuss with the Prime Minister.
We leave it at that. We'll wait, of course, for the meeting for more details. But for the moment, thanks very much indeed.